Hi, I'm Jody Seibert with Fix Your Accounting, and today I'm going to talk to you about your income statement, also known as profit and loss, or also your money habit tracker. And I happen to be in Xero on this one, but whatever accounting software you're using, you can run this, and you may need to do some playing around with settings to get what Xero automatically gives you. I have to say it's my favorite report. Your income statement shows your revenue, which is essentially your habit of attracting customers who do business with you. So it's money in. Your cost of goods sold or cost of sales would be cost of inventory, cost of supplies, cost of labor directly related to your sales. And then when you get into the expense portion of your income statement, which could be laid out differently depending on which software you're using, your expenses are your spending habits, plain and simple. And what's cool about the Xero income statement is that it shows you the current and 3 prior months and year to date. So instantly you can see trends. You see the trend of income. And you can see, are you meeting your goals? Are you hitting a down season of your business? And some naturally have a slow season, July being notorious for pretty much any business. But then you get into the expense portion. And your cost of goods sold is pretty much directly related to your level of sales. Usually you can estimate that as a percentage of your sales. But the rest of this you look at, advertising is a big one. Did you spend $8,000 last month on Facebook ads, and then, okay, your revenue was up. It's a good way to see trends, especially things like rent, if it suddenly spikes, or your phone and some things that typically stay pretty stable. But overall, this is your money tracker for your business. You don't need a spreadsheet or anything else. This report comes from all those bank transactions that you recorded in the bank feed. And of course, how accurately you do that directly relates to how useful this report is. And these are your account names or categories that you used when you recorded those bank transactions. And of course, how useful this report is not only depends on the accuracy of you recording or your bookkeeper recording transactions, but how useful these account names are. And it's very common for a lot of businesses to use the default setup that Xero or QuickBooks offers, which is, in my opinion, too generic and not specific enough to your business. You end up with many accounts you simply don't need and just add to confusion and can really mess up your bookkeeping because it's hard for you to be consistent in recording the transactions. So this report is something you should be looking at weekly and doing your bookkeeping weekly. Business is moving too fast to be ignoring it. But this is your spending habit tracker. And I would encourage you to be in here looking at this as often as possible to make sure you are meeting your money goals. I'm Jody Seibert with Fix Your Accounting.